What's up, peeps? So today I have a brunch with the sister lock person. I am going to be doing I'm gonna be rolling my hair up, and I know that I said that rolling it up makes it ugly. I guess I still kind of believe that, but I want a different kind of hair, and so I'm just gonna have to invest in that now because this hair is not doing what I want it to do. The curls are just flattening out, and that's sad. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some rods on it. I kind of want them to be big,